What's up, everybody? This is Toby Renee, and I am on a new project in Atlanta. Actually, we're in South Georgia, a little south of Atlanta, but I'm super excited. We are doing Matte Venetian Plaster, and I'm really excited because I do have a couple of members here from my academy, my decorative painting academy. So let's go inside and check them out. All right, so I want to take you guys inside to see what we're doing. So today is pretty not exciting, but we're getting our base coat started. Oh, this is looking pretty good. Let me turn it around. Such a pretty color. Let's talk about the process for today. The walls have been primed, but they have not been painted. So before you start a matte Venetian plaster wall, always prime and paint your walls. It's really not worth the trouble in the end. And if you prime and paint your walls, and make sure the base coat that you're using to paint with is the same color as your Venetian plaster. That way you don't have to work harder during the process and at the end to try to get the coverage nice and full. Okay, so here's the room that we are starting today. We are doing our prep layers, which is prepping the walls with the actual color of the Venetian plaster. And this is a really, really beautiful color. I think it's called something green. Oh, softened green. It's a Sherwin Williams color. But the walls are primed. Now they are being painted. And we got Eric in the house, DPA. Say hi. And we got Jamari. Oh, that was a little attitude. And of course, Miss Linda, our project manager. Let's get back to it. This green is really soothing. I'm enjoying this color. And a little bit about my academy. I teach people how to make six figures as a decorative artist. I also teach people how to run the business. So for instance, we are trying to upsell this ceiling on this project. I want to do the Venetian plaster on the ceiling and the walls. So we're down here today. I've given my designer a price, so we'll see if she goes for it. So the reason I'm excited is because I never get to do green. So actually, let me show you guys the tile that the interior designer picked out along with my sample. Isn't that gorgeous? So I'm excited. We get to do something different. Oh, one last check-in. Everybody's been here working hard today. So proud of them. But yeah, so everything is looking excellent. The color's going on really, really pretty. I like it. That is my favorite color.